Aldo. It's already morning, 1 a.m. now. Still, you know what? Still, I didn't take a rest. Start afternoon until now. Because you know what? When I start my life when I'm on the way and still I didn't do anything for myself. And if I will talk with someone, I will not have rest. What time tomorrow? Let's see. Because tomorrow I will go. I need to buy box for my cargo and I need to go to the office. I don't know what time I can go. It's depend on the office if what time they will open. I need to renew my visa. Vicky, you from Thailand? No, I'm from Philippines. Camera close, please, your mouth. What time tomorrow? We are not talking to you. Bye. Well, mag 3 hours ba ako? Sana marami akong views. Thank you so much, 13 people. Thank you very much. Bisita ka dun sa live ni Eds, Good day. May mga sumasayaw dun, kumakanta, mga Pilipino din. Jagdish, please close your mouth. Bakit naman? I am Big Pine. You said to me you go with Ladyboy, etc. and laugh. With who's Ladyboy? You said to me you go with Ladyboy. Who's Ladyboy? Propeta, who's Ladyboy? Goodbye. Good day. Kwento ng buhay niya. Wala namang interesado. Uy, wag mo ako ibigay sa iba. Sa'yo lang. Hindi. Gusto mo kasi manood doon. Pwede kayo manood doon. Transgender in Thailand. Propeta. Really, you know, Propeta, if I will go to Thailand, if I have money, I want to, what I will do? I want to remove my stomach, my tummy. It's because my tummy is so big. Marhaba, Koray. Good morning, marhaba, Kefik. Uday Pandi, Jay. You know what is my wish? To remove my tummy because my tummy is big and I want to make tight my breast. I want to make tight my breast because my breast is not tight. Tanggalin, Lalab Charlan, tanggalin na kita, labs. Ang pinakita, malapit na akong mag-end. Propeta, Thailand is beautiful, than food is amazing. Yeah. My boss, they said after they get married, they went to Thailand. You know, it's nice to visit any country, but the problem only, it's money, yeah. And anything you can, good day, cry me a river. I like to tour, to go in any country, but only the problem, money. Of course, you need to buy ticket and you need to buy visa and you need to check in the hotel. So it's hard to. Uday Jay Sri Ramji. Propeta, come to Thailand, everything is cheap. Yeah, they told me it's like that. Really, you know what I want to do? I want to remove my belly. And I want to make my breast tight. This only what I like. No need to fix my face. It's enough for me, my face. Even I'm not perfect on my face, getting old, and I have wrinkles, but only I want to remove my belly and to make tight my breast. Yeah. Because I want when I'm not wearing bra, it's standing. See, I'm not wearing bra. It's look like, see, it's loose. So I want it very pointed. In October and this November, I am in Italy before go to Philippines. Okay.